My name's Ryan Laws. I'm with a company called Pro Image Sports, and over the past year we have been trying to build a website that's complicated, has lots of different distribution centers, and we weren't able to get it done. Was introduced to JD Softtech, and what I can tell you about them is that they are organized, they do what they say they're going to do, and they do it on budget. So they were the solution for us. I can't say enough good things about them, and would love to talk to anybody who has questions about how they are as partners.
Hi everyone, I am Akash Thakwani, founder of T-Sage. At T-Sage, we provide exclusive blend of whole leaf tea with natural pieces of fruit, flower and spices. We had requested JD Softtech to work on the e-commerce site for our products, and they have done an amazing job. The best three things about JD Softtech which I would like to share with you is one, they have a great design thinking skill, so they understand your product well. They do a great market research about the other companies that are working on similar lines, and then they come up with very good strategy to create a user-friendly website for you. The second thing is the execution that they do. So it's very quick and the response from their team is very well. And the third and the best thing is the after sales service, which is great. So anytime you contact their team members, they're always willing to help you and they try to get your problems resolved as soon as possible. So I would surely recommend JD Softtech if you want to create your own website or if you require any other application services.
Hi, my name is John Roberson, and I am the Innovation and Digital Platform Administrator for the Leaders Up organization. Leaders Up is a nonprofit whose mission is to bridge the divide between the untapped potential of young people and the business challenge of finding and keeping the best talent. We're currently headquarters in Los Angeles with projects in the Bay Area and Chicago. We worked with JD Softtech to redesign our previous website, which really lacked the cohesive story. They were able to help us by really focusing in on what our needs were to design a visually engaging website that really told our story and showed the full range of our impact. My overall experience working with them has been great. They're excellent project managers and innovators, people you can really bounce ideas off of and really see it come to life through their work. Anyone who's interested in a redesign or a complete site build, I would highly recommend JD Softtech for the project.
Hi, I used JD Softtech and really liked their product. They did a great job, worked really hard, made a very sophisticated website, and we got a really good deal on it. It was a great value for our money, and communication was good. Especially like working with Ronick. So I definitely recommend use those guys if you're considering having some high-end website work done.
Hi, my name is John, founder of EPD Studios. I work with clients from small to large on different marketing and campaign initiatives, from print to web development. I was working on a website for a client with a different company at that time, and it was not going so well. And at the end of the day, I wanted to try to find someone else to help me. And I found JD Softtech, and I'm really happy that I did. JD Softtech knows their stuff. You're talking about WordPress, they know everything, have great recommendations. And you know, the site that I was working on at that time was not up to par to what I was looking at. So they literally had to come in, take the whole site and redo it. So that process in itself was a big one, and there were definitely many revisions, lots of different kind of things that I was requesting, updates, you know, on a very constant basis. And JD Softtech was very responsive. They went over a lot of the things that I requested on a timely basis, and the process, even though it was a process, was a good one. They were patient, and every time that I did have a request or whatnot, they came back and they let me know what the status was. They kept me posted. I scheduled meetings to speak with them about my concerns and whatnot. So, again, the process with working with JD Softtech was a good one. It was a positive one. And at the end of the day, the site was what it should have been from the start. And because of JD Softtech, the client was very happy, and I look forward to continuing a working relationship with JD Softtech. I think that they are very good at what they do. They're not only good with development, but the business model and whatever it is that they want to provide with their clients services wise. I think they're a great team to work with. So I highly recommend them, and I look forward to working on other projects with them as well. Thank you.
We chose JD Softtech because for really two reasons in the beginning. They had the benefits of not only working during our hours, but also they had the low cost of an outsourced development team. And so with both of those, we got kind of the best of both worlds, we felt, and they delivered. And we were able to talk to the team when we needed to, and we were also able to see the results of what they had done the next day. And it's been great working with JD Softtech because they really understand our requirements, and they have the ability to translate that into functional working software. We've been very, very happy with JD Softtech. They have always consistently been right on budget. When we run into problems, they're consistently able to overcome them. A lot of times they need our input, and they're able to give us results. Bottom line, another great thing about JD Softtech is that they were able to always continue to support what they had done. So if we delivered some functionality on a website or a web application or something, that they consistently would come back, and if we had problems with it, or if a user was having problems with it, they always supported it, and they've always been very good at kind of putting us in the right prioritization that we needed to be. If it was an emergency issue, they'd take care of it right away. And we've never been disappointed. We've been very happy with JD Softtech.
Hi, I've been working with JD Softtech for a few months now. We've been building a website for my company, for a group of companies that we have, and so far I can say that it's been a great experience. Ronick and his team are very understanding, very patient, and very creative. And honestly, I can say that this is the best team that I've worked with. This is I'm probably up to maybe 3 websites that I've built with different teams, and this is the best team I've worked with, I can honestly say. And even though we are at a distance, I'm in Haiti and Ronick is based in the States, I can say that it feels that we're working next to each other. I feel like they've made it very easy for me to work with them, even with the distance that separates us. And I would definitely recommend anyone who's looking to build a website, any type of websites, I would definitely recommend to work with JD Softtech because they're simply the best.